Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. My name is Ankit Bhari and welcome back to my channel. Now a few weeks back NVIDIA reached out to me and I was on a call with them. They said they have designed a laptop for creators like us in collaboration with MSI. They called it Creator Series and they wanted me to review the performance of this laptop, and I was like, thank you. So they sent me this laptop and I've been using this for 2 weeks now. So today in this video we're gonna talk everything about this laptop, what it brings to the table and how it can help you in your editing process. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is a RTX Studio laptop. These are really high performance laptops meant for creative professionals. With RTX GPUs and Studio Driver, these laptops enhance your studio applications like Premiere Pro and 40 other studio applications from different industries. For example, in Premiere Pro, if you see any sign like this, it means it is GPU accelerated effect. And if you want to know more about RTX Studio, then check the link in the bio. The first thing that you would obviously ask me, okay Ankit, what are the specifications of this laptop? So this is 15.6-inch Full HD laptop, Creator 15M A9 SE model. The CPU is Intel Core i7 processor and it comes with 16 GB of RAM, but you can expand it up to 64 GB, and the storage is 1 TB SSD drive. That's huge. And it has 2 USB-C type port, 1 LAN port and 1 HDMI port. Now let's talk about my favorite spec of this laptop, which is graphic card. It comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB. This GPU is really powerful, but still this laptop is not that heavy. It's just 1.86 kg. You can easily travel with you. It's not that heavy. With all these specifications, it's just a complete package. And along with this, it has 144 Hz IPS display, and they have built in their display with the True Color technology, which provides exceptionally color accuracy, almost close to 100% sRGB. So it means if you're editing your videos on this and if you export the video and you just upload it on YouTube or Instagram, it won't change the color. You will still see the same color as you were seeing in this laptop. So that's really good. Now let's talk about the performance. The best thing I noticed is you can edit 4K videos very smoothly without any lag. Means you can play 4K videos without any frame dropping. What I used to do in my old laptop is I used to set my resolution to 1/8 so that I can edit the videos. But the most important thing is you should feel good when you're editing. And if you're seeing some lag or if you're seeing some hang in your editing software, then it makes the whole experience really bad. And on the top of that, when I used to apply color grading, warp stabilizer, transition effects, all those layers, then Premiere Pro becomes really slow, but not with this laptop anymore. Even after applying all these, you will still be able to play the videos, edit the videos very smoothly. So that's what I loved about it. And one more thing I want to address here is that you can easily get distracted when you're editing videos if your software hangs. Because you might think, okay, let's just take a break of 10 minutes and let me use my phone, and then this 10 minutes goes to half hour, 1 hour. But if your laptop performance is really fast, then you will get into the zone and you will just edit the video. That's really important. Now let's talk about the rendering time of this laptop. When you're exporting a 4K video or when you're exporting a full HD video, how much time does it take? So I exported one 4K project, with all these color grading layers and with all these transition effects. It took around only 11 minutes 40 seconds to export a 14-minute 4K video. It just took 11 minutes 42 seconds. That's really amazing. With my old setup, it used to take around 2 to 3 hours, and that's a really huge improvement. And then if you try to export the same project in full HD, then it will take around 6 minutes 15 seconds. Wow. And I tried with one more 4K project with 4K timeline, and it took around 8 minutes. So that's how fast this laptop is. Now you can further enhance the performance of this laptop using the Creator Center, which is basically designed for this Creator Studio series. And you just have to enable creator mode. Once you enable the creator mode, it will automatically optimize resource allocation based on your application, and it's available for most of the editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can customize it yourself on an app-to-app basis. For example, if you want to allocate more CPU thread to particular application, then you can do that as well. And you can also optimize GPU performance, memory performance, and you can set application priority like real time, high or normal, and it has 4 different profiles like high performance, balanced, silent or super battery. And also for long-term battery health you can select 50 to 60%, which is best for battery. Talking about NVIDIA Studio Driver, it provides creators and 3D developer the best performance and reliability when working with creative applications, and it works with all the RTX graphic drivers and for all the top applications from Adobe to Autodesk and beyond. To be honest, I didn't know much about NVIDIA working with all these companies like MSI to design a laptop especially for creators, which gives the maximum performance and it saves a lot of time. You know, time is everything. If you want to deliver videos on time, then you need a fast machine, and especially if you're traveling, you can easily bring this laptop with you and you can edit on the go. And let me tell you one more thing, I was actually planning to build a desktop before NVIDIA reached out to me, but after working on this laptop I have changed my mind. Ultimately I needed a fast machine, and this laptop has everything, plus it gives me the portability to carry with me anywhere. And if I still want to edit my videos in studio, then I can just easily connect this with my 4K monitor and I can get the experience of a desktop. So that's a plus point. So thank you NVIDIA for sponsoring this video, and if you want to know more about this laptop or if you want to purchase it, then go to the link in the description and you will be able to find it. And also if you have any questions regarding laptop, then let me know in the comments below. I'll be able to reply to you. And with that said guys, if you learned something, then hit a like button and share this video with your friends, especially photographers and videographers. It might help them. And also subscribe to the channel for future videos and don't miss to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. धन्यवाद।